In the sixth video, Environment Engineering, we are discussing about the 14th question. The first one, the height of water's meter above the water supply line should be, answer, 15 centimeter. The second question, for checking and clearing of house drainage access is provided by, answer, inspection chamber. This inspection chamber is used for checking passage for house drainage. Otherwise, sewer is manhole. The next question, third question, the minimum distance between a water source and septic tank should be, answer, 15 meter. In modern some questions, some texts we are discussing about 10 meter, but in PSC question, other competitive examination, the answer is 15 meter. Next, fourth question, a structure used for drawing water from a reservoir is called taking water. That means intake. Fifth question, the minimum size of a vent pipe, that means ventilation pipe, minimum size, answer is 32 mm. Sixth question, the minimum size of a vent pipe for septic tank. For septic tank, answer 50 mm. Next, seventh question, SWG pipe means, answer, stoneware glazed pipe. Stoneware glazed pipes are called SWG pipe. Eighth question, standard length of SWG pipe is 600 mm or 2 feet. Ninth question, the standard length of PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride pipe, answer is 5 meter. In 10th question, standard length of GI pipe means galvanized iron pipe means, answer is 6 meter. A zinc coated pipe is called galvanized iron pipe. In 11th question is working capacity of flushing cistern is, working capacity of flushing cistern is, answer, 5 to 15 liters. 12th question, septic tanks are mentioned by airtight and watertight. Answer is airtight and watertight. 13th question, a device used for controlling the flow of liquid in a line of pipe. For controlling the flow, that's only controlling the flow of liquid. Answer is valve. Valve is used for controlling. 14th question, a device used for extracting the liquid in a line of pipe. That means extracting. That answer is taps. That is the difference between extracting and controlling. Controlling is valve, extracting is taps. Here we are discussing about 14th question complete here. We can see with the next class. Please subscribe.